Hey, my name is Malik from Visceral Studios. In this bootcamp, we are going to help you take your production skills and career to new heights.
Over 5 weeks, we'll cover songwriting, production, audio engineering, and so much more. You will connect to online sessions twice a week with our incredible Visceral team,
focusing on hands-on experience and feedback sessions. We will start with a deep dive into the art of writing and producing songs.
We'll get into producing in Ableton, covering different recording techniques for beginners, intermediate, or advanced producers, mixing, audio engineering, advanced EQ, and compression with practical exercises that you'll be able to apply to your tracks straight away.
Including, of course, a listening session in which you can actually pitch your songs to A&Rs from labels, publishers, managers.
We want to get to know you, what kind of artist you are, what kind of music you make, and where you're at in terms of experience. We'll pair you with the best teachers and the best students that we think is a good match, and this way we think you'll get the most out of this bootcamp. The feedback sessions allow us to help you with the things you need an extra hand with, while making the most out of your strengths.
Our main objective is to provide you with a comprehensive songwriting and music production training to help you grow as an artist. Enroll now, and we really look forward to working with you at Visceral.